welcome back to the third vlog of our Singapore adventures. Today we are kicking things off at Bird's Paradise in Singapore Zoo. This place is a heaven for bird lovers. I'll let the clips do the talking for now, so sit back and enjoy these stunning feathered friends. By the way, did you know that the Singapore Zoo is so huge? It usually takes about 2 to 3 days to explore the whole thing properly. How amazing was that? After exploring Bird's Paradise, we headed to the Wings of the World show. And these birds were absolute superstars. From incredible stunts to showing off their talents, they really stole the show.
Right. So we're going to take this stump as a marker, and I'm going to walk this one more way up there. Now these birds have dagger-like feet, and when you look closely, they have a stereotypical red face.
Once Mel himself into his position, let it go. Alright, I have with me a replica of a sea snake. When I toss it to the pond, we shall see him make an attempt to snatch it away. Here we go. Look at that, and whoa!
Green macaws. Now, green-winged macaws, they're one of the largest macaws you can find in the world. Higgins is about 10 years old.
And with me, I have Casey, our sulfur-crested cockatoo.
The rooster?
And toucans, they are known for their incredible...
This way. There you go. So once again...
After all that bird watching, we were so ready for some food. We ended the day with a seafood feast at Long Beach at Dempsey Hill. The flavors were just out of this world. Highly recommend this spot if you're ever in Singapore. The next day, we decided to take a relaxing walk. We hopped on the train and headed to Ion Orchard.
Apabila menggunakan tangga bergerak, harap berdiri jauh dari sisi tangga. Terima kasih. Ini saja panggilan dulu.
We stumbled upon these magical musical instruments playing in the street. We couldn't help but stop and enjoy the moment. Later at night, we checked out Little India and wow, it was decked out for Deepavali. The lights, the vibes, it was such a lovely experience. And just like that, it was time to say goodbye to Singapore. On our final day, we made our way to Changi Airport. We couldn't leave without checking out the incredible Jewel waterfall one last time. We took the train to Terminal 2 and from there hopped on the Sky train to see that masterpiece. Singapore, you've been amazing. We had such a memorable time here and we can't wait to come back again. That wraps up our Singapore journey. If you missed the first two videos, go check them out on the channel. And don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more travel adventures coming your way. See you in the next video.